Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video on the Nerf regulator modulus, whatever, yeah. So, the whole thing, like I set it up, but it comes with two 12-dart mags and 24 darts, modulus darts, and that comes with a modulus stock, which I love that stock. It's a solid stock that holds a magazine in the back. And like the other modulus one where you could do that, it wasn't, like, it was just flimsy. But this one isn't. That's why I like it. And also that, right, oh yeah, but you can see the gun. It takes 4 C batteries. But yeah, I just also have this right here. I don't know why, but I just see it in a lot of unboxings. Whatever. Anyway, I just got this yesterday, as you can see, but yeah. And these are the 3 barrels. That really isn't like a barrel, but it's just like a swivel handle or whatever. I don't know. But basically what you can do is you can like adjust every time it goes around. And this, I'll explain that in a minute. And this is just, all of the barrels have a male and female attachment. Means that way you can put this on a barrel, and so you can put a barrel on it. They all have that. Hold on. There. All right. They all have a we have 3 barrels that all have that. And the best thing about these 2 right here is that they can connect onto any tactical rail, which is just awesome. And like I said, all 3 of these have male and female attachments. Now, I'm gonna go over like the rest of the gun, like the review and everything. But I'm also going to be telling you how I'd run it in a Nerf war and how I'd run it as just usual. So, I don't know why I didn't put those darts and load them up. Yeah. But yeah, it comes with 2 12-dart mags, like I already said that. And I don't know if you can see, but right there, there's a switch fire. And you can switch from semi-auto to 3-round burst to full auto. And in case you don't know what any of those are, semi-auto is where you pull the trigger once, a dart comes out once, and then you can just do that. But you can't hold down when you hold down the trigger, that's semi-auto. And in 3-round burst, it's basically once you pull the trigger once, it shoots 3, and then you let go, pull the trigger once, it shoots 3. And another cool feature about this gun is, for one, it's one of the semi-auto guns, but you can, I'll show you the best way to run it when I'm doing full auto, but yeah. But yeah, a cool feature about this, when you don't have any ammo, or you've shot your last round, there is a light at the top. I don't know, back there. I can't really show you that well. But yeah, that is the gun itself. It is pretty heavy, but I mean, I'm a kid. I'm 10, and I can handle it. Once you get used to it, yeah. And also you can store that in the stock. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you how I would personally run it for Nerf war. I am definitely going to be using this stock a lot more. But yeah, so put the stock on, that's how I do it. And then if you are going full auto, hold on. Put the swivel handle thing and put it to whatever side your hand isn't firing on, like this. So I'm a left-handed for firing, so I put it on my right. But if you're right-handed, it's usually more comfortable for you to do it on the left side. One, you basically have to because your other hand's firing it, and yeah. But I wouldn't run it with any of those mags, like 12-dart mags. Nah. You need a 25 round. Of course, load this up, but I'm not going to do that right now. And then take one of your 12 dart mags and put it in the back. Like, this is how I'd run it. But if you're not machine gunning it, I would recommend taking the swivel handle thing off. And then, once you take that swivel handle thing off, put it so that way this is facing backwards, like this long thing. And then you can put it in right there. And you'll hear a nice click once it actually goes in. Or maybe not sometimes, but you don't want to force it in. Let me just say that. Okay, so you have that, yeah. And that's pretty cool. And I just really like the stock because it holds an extra mag. And it's not annoying like a lot of other ones. Or like a lot of other stocks. Yeah, stocks. Stocks that hold... stocks that hold Nerf. I cannot talk today. So that stock is way better than any other stock that I've seen. One, it can hold that swivel handle thing and holds an extra magazine, but it is also not flimsy, and it's just perfect fit. But yeah, so let me just bring this closer and then zoom in like this. Okay, I don't know if you can still see it. Here, let me move the camera up. But basically, here, I hope it will focus once I get close. Alright, so see that switch? Yeah. Well, the one that I have it on is semi-auto, which is the switch. And then you can switch it to 3-round burst and then full auto. And the cool thing, this switch is on both sides. See? And like it's at full auto on the top. Put it down to semi-auto. It comes down on this side. Like watch this thing move. And it's on both sides, which is awesome. But yeah, I personally would recommend having it semi-auto for a Nerf battle. But that's just me. Yeah, here. Let me get my camera back to normal. I'm gonna raise this because I want to. Because I can. Because I want to. Anyway, yeah, these. Now, also the swivel handle. Remember that little hole on the top? Right there. Well, that is so... It's kind of hard to explain. But, basically, if that was on the front, you can... I don't know, this is kind of hard because of how heavy it is. It's not that heavy, but still. You slide this on, which on the box, they have it as a scope. See? Let me just do that. See? And then here, let me show you something real quick. Let me get this, and then I'll put it on like this. Now, as you can see, it goes right through the sight line, and I can even show you. See? All the way through. And that's a really good thing, because like if you just want to have the swivel handle on, but you also want to have like a quote scope, even though it doesn't do anything because Nerf guns are so inaccurate. Yeah, but the way I'd run it is, hold on. Yeah, sometimes when the scope is brand new, it's a little hard to get off. Let's just say that. And usually I just have to wiggle it off. There we go. Alright, this is how I'd run it in a Nerf war. Unless you go on full auto, which I don't recommend because it empties your darts pretty quick and I wouldn't want to do that in Nerf 4. But yeah, so you can have a swivel handle if you want to go full auto and you're just like going in a huge mob of people. But yeah, so this is how I would run it, basically. Just like this. With a 25 round drum and everything loaded up, of course. Let me just zoom out like that. But yeah, and another cool thing, see those holes? When you put the mag in and out, you can actually see inside of that, like where the magnet's going in and out. But yeah, that is a really good feature that I like. The light. Oh yeah, and also the mag release is, here, let me zoom. Right in front of the trigger, right there. And then the red button is below, and that's the actual trigger. Now, I think I might be done. I don't know. But anyway, this is the second gun I've had from the Modulus series. A bunch of people on YouTube, well, a few people on YouTube were saying like, oh, I wonder if, well, they were talking about the Modulus line. They were wondering if they're going to make a reskin of the, well, not really a reskin, but kind of like a reskin of the, what is it called? I can't think of it. I just can't. I just can't. The Rapid Strike. Oh. And yeah, but that has come in the Modulus series. But I wonder how other YouTubers are questioning or anything. Whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. And oh yeah, hold on. We need to go a few more things. There's a tactical rail on the bottom. There is another tactical rail on the top right there. And yes, this is the Hyperfire. Same thing. It runs on a conveyor belt. And you have to have this switch forward to do that. Now, here, let me show you one thing. Okay, so I rev it up. I have a mag, but I don't have any darts. And ready? That light blinks when you're out of ammo for about 15 seconds. But if you put in a fresh mag with darts, it can actually sense if you have darts in there. And I'll show you how in a second. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, really. Dang it. You can kind of see those two little dots right there. Those are two sensors. It can sense if there's a dart, which I think is absolutely awesome. So that way it knows, like if you fired your last shot, it will know. And it will put that red button since you don't have any more ammo. Now that could be kind of annoying, but sometimes it'd be really useful. Because if you're getting ready to like go onto a battle and you think you have enough ammo, and then the light blinks as soon as you shoot one more, you know that before you actually go like way out there in the Nerf battle that you're, yeah, whatever. Anyway,